Let's take a moment and learn how to set up the clock on Pioneer's DEH-X3800UI. So from any of my sources, I'm just going to press in on the volume control here, and I'm going to roll along till I find the System menu. Let's see, here's System, and we'll press Enter. And we're going to scroll along here until we find Clock Set. And here's Clock Set, and we'll press Enter there. And I can just use the volume control to change the hours. And if you'll notice, as I scroll past 12, the hours change from AM to PM. So we'll just make this 3 and then press in on the volume control, and we'll make this 3:20 PM. There we go. And press Enter. When you're done doing that, you can just press the back button. Then you can roll over to the next clock setting, which is our clock format, which is 12-hour or 24-hour. You can press in on the volume control to choose what you like there. I like to keep that 12-hour clock. Alright, so when we're done, we're just going to press the band button to escape. Now I don't see the clock on the screen, I still see the radio frequency. If I want to see the clock on the screen, press the display button until we see clock, and now we can see we have the clock on the screen. But there's another way to see the clock on the screen if you want to. Let's press in on the volume control, and we're going to scroll along till we find the System menu, and let's scroll along here until we find Info Display or Information Display, and we'll press Enter there. Right now my information display is turned off, and this is the display area right here, right underneath where it says off. And I can choose something here, a spectrum analyzer, a level meter, my source information right now is radio, or I can have the clock here display all the time. So for right now I'm going to set that as my information display, and I'm going to press the band button to escape. And now you see I have the clock shown over here and the clock shown over here. If we switch to a different source, we can still have the clock information shown on the source. Let's turn the head unit completely off now. So press and hold the source button for a couple of seconds, and the clock still shows on the screen. But if I want to make that go away completely, just press the display button, and all of the lighting for the head unit goes out. Want to bring it back? Press the display button again.